сонымен бүгін біздер бұйырса пицца жасаймыз.
Yeah.
So I promised my girls pizza. They're waiting for pizza for like 3 days. So today we'll try to use only, like when we prepare pizza, only, what language?
English.
English, okay, Asana? Okay, are you ready, girls?
Yes.
Give me 5. Asana, actually I prepared the dough for pizza already.
Yes.
So it is this one. That's here. And what else do we need for that?
We need sauce.
We need sauce. What else?
And tomatoes.
Tomatoes. What else? Asana, tell me please. What else do we need for pizza?
Water.
What?
Water.
Water? Blender? Oh, blender. No, we don't need blender. What else do we need? What do we put on top of pizza? It's very. Huh?
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you find cheese from fridge, please?
Yes.
Okay. So. I washed some tomatoes. I'll bring washed tomatoes in here. Okay.
Okay.
You need. What are we going to do with cheese? Tell me, please, Zara. To grate.
Great.
So we need to grate the cheese. Good.
This will be really yummy.
It will be really yummy, of course, because we're preparing
Pizza.
ourselves, right?
Yes.
So this is for cheese.
I found lasagna.
Okay, first Asana, then Isara. Okay, let me open this for you. So here's our mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. So, Asana, you want to try? You need chair, right, Asana? Let me help you. Chair here. But you should be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Take this, You can stand up first. Let's stand. Okay, let's do it now. Together, yeah? You should be careful to your fingers.
Yeah.
Let's take your one hand only, okay? Hold the cheese. Hold it.
And this is
You see?
can make myself.
You might hurt yourself.
I can do this myself
You can-
because my teacher
Taught you.
yes.
Good. Okay. Now it's your turn. Be careful, okay? Be really careful. Don't hurt your hand.
This is really
It's very big. I can cut it for you.
heavy.
You want me to cut it?
Yes.
It's really heavy, yeah. Be careful. I'll just cut it here. Okay. I cut it. So take this one. Asana, do you want to prepare? Meanwhile, you want to prepare the sauce?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
You want? Okay. What do we need for that? What do we use usually? Mayonnaise and the ketchup, yeah? The ketchup. Take the ketchup. Put it there. I'll give you. Asana. So, let's do it. You need spoon, Asana. Could you please find spoon, Asana? Big spoon, okay? Right.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, this is okay. Okay, so we have the spoon. Now you need to mix them
Together.
Mix them together. You can just mix them here. And let me help you
Can
with
I
the
also
cheese.
mix?
Of course, you can mix together. You want to try?
Yeah.
Cheese?
Can I also?
Of course. Yum yum. Yummy yummy.
This is good.
Good. Okay.
I just wash my
Of
hands.
course, you can wash your hands. So, our dough is ready. All ready. How many pizzas do you want? 3 parts or 3 pieces or 1, 2 pieces? 3? 4?
3.
3. Okay. So we can make 3 medium pizzas, yeah? Or we can make 3? Okay.
I want to.
You want to separate it? Okay. One big.
I like
You want one small? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I want rolling pin. Yeah, you want rolling pin. Oh, you want the your rolling pin. Rolling pin.
Yes.
I will find it for you. Oh, here is your rolling pin.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, good. And the second one, yeah, for you,
Wow.
small. You want a small one. You want to make a small pizza. Here is yours.
Winnie Pooh.
Winnie Pooh pizza.
Yeah.
Winnie the Pooh pizza. Okay, so you want to use this one?
No.
No. You're gonna use your hands. Hard to do that with your hands.
Yes. Rolling pizza.
Rolling. Okay, so you want to cut the tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay, here are your tomatoes. And what do you need? Take what you need, okay?
The one.
So here is your beanie, yeah? Let's make it thinner, yeah? Thinner and thinner. So you're gonna cut the tomatoes. Be careful, okay? Really careful. Be careful. Don't cut your finger. Oh, you brought your beanie. You cut the tomatoes?
Yes.
Good. So, okay, what else do we need to do? We need to spread the sauce, right?
Yeah.
On pizza, okay. Take the sauce and spread it on top of this. Yummy, yummy. So this is our
Pizza.
It's very, very hot.
Yes.
Are you excited? You
Yes.
want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. So